Hello, I'm Archana Sirohi-Dagar, a soft skill trainer. I'm a diploma holder in training and development and also certified by ProTouch. ProTouch really helped me a lot how I should, put my learnings into practice. The one thing I like about ProTouch is that they really help you in application of the theories we have in training, application of the tools we have in training, and the training environment they create is actually energetic.
So I flew for 35 years for airlines, Air India, and I retired in April 2021. In July, I joined ProTouch. I was looking in Facebook, something cropped up, it kept cropping up, and I said, okay, let me just call up. So I called up and people responded, and I happened to meet Dr. Aparna, and that was a turning point in my life again. Starting back at 58, and I did a course in corporate training, TTT, and trained the trainer. And after that, I met Dr. Aparna and Mr. Rahul at Gurgaon, and he told me to specialize in the line that I was in, to take a specific and work ahead with it. So then I started doing on, my favorite topic was root cause or continuous improvement and risk analysis. I recommend this course to others because it is the best here. I have been training a lot of places. Right now I've been lucky enough, the Oman Airport Aviation, the Oman Oil and Natural Gas have taken me as their, what you can say, their coach and trainer for all the IT department. And this has come only because I did ProTouch. Had I done from somewhere else, maybe I would have been just floundering around. Maybe I would have been training, maybe I would have been doing the work, but this has given me focus, and I would love people to come here and learn the focus that it gives you.
Hi, I'm Aishwarya. Today I'm here at the ProTouch event. I work with Masters Union. I'm involved with placements and recruitments, so essentially connecting with recruiters and different industries to facilitate placements. So I'm really learning a lot today. ProTouch really meant a lot to me when I was looking to upskill myself. And I really recommend the program to all those who are looking to explore a career in training, facilitation with regards to DEI, POSH and other related fields. So for all those who are looking to set up independent businesses, to work with corporates, to work with schools, colleges, I think this is the right place. You have to take up the program. Don't wait and sign up now.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashok Mayer, based at Panchkula. I'm an IT professional with 30 years of experience, and now for the past few years I'm into training, consulting and doing the coaching also. So I joined ProTouch for the first as POSH trainer. I got this POSH enabled certificate. And then subsequently it was to enhance my further prospects, I joined the coaching certificate. Both the courses, it was well designed, and main was the delivery part of it. And they explained in a very simple and understanding manner. And the curriculum was quite detailed, but it explained in a very simple way. That was easy to understand. So that was the best part of it. And I wish ProTouch all the best, and will definitely recommend the people to join ProTouch and take their careers to next level.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Dinesh Kapoor, and I've joined ProTouch in March, and I have done a certified T3 course from them, which has helped me enable my skills, and they have helped me a lot in my understanding of what is training, what is coaching, what is mentoring, and it really helps you if you join ProTouch. As the name suggests, ProTouch, touching the hearts of many, and it has touched me in such a way that the journey has not stopped, it's just begun. And with the help of ProTouch, now I have become a doctor, which is an honorary certificate which I've received. I would recommend ProTouch to everyone that please go ahead and start your journey today itself. Rock ProTouch.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Nandita. I have been a student with ProTouch in March 2024. I did the CPD corporate training course, the train the teacher course with Aparna and Rahul. They are brilliant people. and they have helped me transform my outlook towards training and coaching. Apart from that, I have also transformed my own profile with this course because I love teaching. I've been an academician for last 20 years, but with this course, I think I have more avenues, and people have started approaching me for training and taking up their staff members under my wing. So this is a brilliant change that I have seen in myself and in my profile, and I'm so very thankful to ProTouch for this particular course. I would recommend that everyone who's looking forward in their career must take up this course, especially who are related with the HR, who are related with the people related positions. So I think this is an add-on and it's an added feather to my cap too. So thank you so much ProTouch, always with you, and I'll definitely recommend your courses to each one of I know. Thank you so much.
Hi, good evening. My name is Ruchi, and I have done corporate trainer and facilitator course in ProTouch. And why I have taken up this course, because I'm already into training and I'm in aviation industry, but then I wanted to come out of my comfort zone and experience something new. And one of my friend actually recommended, and then I did my R&D, and I got to know that they're doing really well in the industry, and I tried it, and I'm glad that I did that. Today I'm grateful to Dr. Aparna and Rahul for conducting such an amazing session, and I would say that it was not only about training, it was about the overall grooming and guidance and how you can take this further for your benefit. So I recommend this, that if you're planning for a change, or if you plan to groom yourself, or if you want to upskill yourself, this is the place you should go and take up a course, whatever suits as per your profile. So all the best everyone.
Hi, my name is Varun. I am a tech professional. I've worked in companies like Oracle. I joined ProTouch because I have an inclination towards public speaking and also training of various sorts. I've also worked in the education industry, so some bit of career counseling coupled with corporate training. So I wanted to have a professional touch to it, and which is why I joined ProTouch, and it gave me exactly what I wanted. So I love the way it was structured, specifically dividing into various aspects like communication and presentation and the business part of it. So this is exactly what I was looking for, because just to reach out, I was already doing this, and in order to reach out to the right clients and address the right problems, it gave me a framework actually. So that really helped me a lot. Both the trainers are absolutely fantastic, especially Rahul sir. I really admire his business acumen, the way he tries to address the problems and explain it afterwards, as a trainer to us, whoever is learning. That was he really simplified it, and he makes it look simple, so it gives us the inspiration to go forward and do the same thing. The credit goes to the team because, as I mentioned, the way it is structured, the framework is absolutely professional and tried and tested.